good pla day lo you pla geta lo ya mas one pla laptop one pla client lo mi kisika na tokos laptop no sa sa on but screen no sa kamon power go through but time sa on screen bakarat. So this la laptop one pla HP 250 G7 series 8th generation. I'm talking no sa work, so I'm stop almost 3 months. One time I'm come give me try me fix him. So now by me try to fix him now. Now here you can look me unscrew me get a screws. Sorry me use one plahan lo unscrew more screw na plahan me close phone stuff. So by time to time and by looking by just fast forward the video, so make him easy way. Ilo here me sim backside cover the laptop. Call inspection mas working mo inspection by looking sample happen blown or second browsing all main components as RAM card, battery. Okay, mostly but sometimes something sa kamo sa problem ang time RAM card or sometimes electrostatic also stock motherboard suppose sudden shutdown time like only bananap come on, so electrostatic it's something like excess power and by still stop inside low laptop PC board. So this la mi working me rousin mo get RAM card, rousin battery. So then by pla look yos gamitan yung go back in mas on him without battery, no got power mas plug in. So here you can look yos now me like sotin this like electrostatic stuff inside the PC board. So hold and press and hold power button for 60 seconds. Laram this daw get electrostatic pinisa. Okay, lo here now you can browse in main screen. Be careful no go di broken laptop screen lo use. Lo here you can look and say now me browse in PC board main power main motherboard lo laptop. Solo inspection yung kililik inspection you can look in one plug blown lilik ICM stuff. That's about 20 pin IC. Sorry camera blow me no focusing good, so but one plug 20 pin IC. What that IC working time you on him power and by go in through that IC trigger him main processor blow PC board. So lo main processor by signal him go lo RAM card kirap him laptop blow you, so you can look in display. So lo yeah mo semi put him on sample flags lo rouse him this la faulty blown IC. So plug and look in. Okay, me use him hot air gun blow me lo rouse him this la IC chip. Okay, me rouse the IC chip finish. As you can look him and then blow, so and by me clean him this la residue blown hammer, helical blown up there. I'm using electronic CRC spray lo cleaning this PC board as you can look at me using. So mi panim na pla board lo rausim chip one kind of second one, so by me transferring go na putim go lo this IC lo G7. Currently me got one pla board of G7, so me got one pla HP 250 G3 M stop where me looking as got same pin 20 legs pin IC chip 2 M stop, so what I'm looking by me browsing puti go lo 40 PC board. So you can look at me kissing more picture lo rausim chip and then me cargo put him again lo this faulty motherboard there. So now me hit him again, so by stuck lo PC board. After me put him finish, clean him one time, spray can. Okay, plus CRC electronic CRC spray, clean him finish. So make sure double check him work blow, you know go them short circuit na. I'm facing up same fault again. So now you plug and looking and you plug one again. Put it go back. So lo yeah now by put it go back lo. Get components one time, get up the go back and laptop gains, and then by me try whether I'm work or not. Okay, me put them get up helical parts, blow laptop, RAM card, battery blown in. So by me testing screen finish and the time na by me testing. Yes, so friends, suppose you like plenty second video, so if you got some problem one time laptop blue or flat screen, LCD, phone blue charging ports, or inbox me. You can go to YouTube channel below me got one YouTube channel to and stuff. You can follow, subscribe below up channel name below me and Mr. H Tech. I'm losing this link down below description too. So yes, thank you. So now I must put together parts for backend or test him out. Enjoy. Suppose if you like him, give me love, likes, and support him. Thank you.